Hello everybody, welcome back to Cookmas Day 2. So if you're new to my channel, Cookmas is my holiday series here on my channel on YouTube. And today we're making Evergreen Shortbread. How cute are these? Oh my god, and they're actually really easy to make. So let's get started. So first we're going to beat some butter with an electric mixer until it's pale and fluffy. Add some confectioner sugar and beat for 2 minutes until well combined. Then add some vanilla extract and combine. In a separate bowl, combine some flour and salt. Then add this to the butter mixture. Mix until the dough sticks together when pinched. Set aside a quarter of the dough. Dye the remaining dough pale green. Then set aside a third of that dough and add a few more drops of green food coloring to the dough and knead together. Set aside half of that dough. Then add a few more drops of green food coloring to the remaining dough and knead together. Roll each ball of dough out into a sausage shape and arrange them in an ombre pattern on a floured surface. And so ideally you want each sausage to be smaller than the size of your cookie cutter so that multiple colors will be included in each cookie. And if your work surface is too small to do this, just cut the sausages in half lengthwise and continue the ombre pattern down below the other sausages. Then use a tree-shaped cookie cutter or a pie stamper, which is what I use, and I'll try to find it online and link it below, to cut out trees. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, then bake them at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes, or until the edges are just starting to brown. Cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack, cool completely, and you are done. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. If you don't want to miss out on any of the other holiday recipes coming this month, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you want to check out what I've done for the past like 4 or 5 years, because we have a ton of holiday recipes on this channel, definitely go check out the playlist here. There are so many things. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for an all new video, and it is a Hanukkah recipe tomorrow. Bye!